Hi, this is Ben Baxter with Accent Software. Going to bring you a quick tip today, literally very quick, because this one is about job queues and having it actually email you a report on a cadence that you want. So what we're looking at is the job queue entry card for an aged accounts receivable report where it gets emailed to myself the first of every month. So I have the report request page turned on, which allows me to control the settings and filters that I have applied to the report. And then it is set to print even though I'm in the Business Central Cloud environment, and it goes to a printer name called Ben Baxter. The trick here is that this printer is an email address, and so it goes to my email when it quote unquote prints this report. So how did I do this? I'm going to let you in on a secret. It is through a config package. Because if you try to set the report output type to print in a standard job queue, you'll get an error message that says that's not available in the cloud option. So I have a little cheat that I will show you. And so I have the job queue entry table, table 472, and I have 4 fields included. One is the primary key, the ID, which is really hard to read. So I have the description on there as well so that I can actually see which job queue entry I'm adjusting. And then I have the report output type and the printer name. And both the report output type, which is going to be set to print, is not set to validate. Same with the printer name, because if you select a printer, you get the same error message. So neither one of those validates. So I'm forcing in the value to that. Now you do need to be careful here. Whenever you don't validate on a config package, it forces in the data regardless of what the field can allow for. So I know that my data is good, and I have an Excel package that made sure to feed in to it the print option and then my specific printer name, which you do want to copy and paste so that you get it accurate. And then as soon as I updated that, it allowed my job queue to be in this exact state. And so as soon as I set it ready to run, it sent me an email with my aged accounts receivable report. So that's your quick tip. I wanted to let everyone know you can have the system email you and email specific people. You just have to have an email printer set up so that it knows exactly who to email. And then you would set up your job queue entry for whatever reports you want to have run with whatever filters at whatever date formula, cycle, recurring period you want. So that's the tip. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions on Business Central, how to get the most out of your system, how to best utilize it, please reach out to our Accent Software support team, and we will be happy to answer your questions and help you out.